In this video, let me show you how to reset your progress in Archero 2. Now, if you want to reset your account, there are multiple ways to do it. You could clear data, unlink or relink accounts, or simply change accounts if you want your progress to stay put. Next, if you want to reset the account linked to your email, the safest way is to contact customer support for help. Now, to do that, press the three lines icon at the top left. Next, click for the settings button. Now, click the support button at the bottom. Now, since you want to delete your account, you can write request along with your account ID and email. After that, once you have finished writing your request, press submit. Now, after submitting, check your email from time to time for a response, and that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.